Guys, welcome back to another video. And today, hopefully I don't get copyright because I don't know if my settings are perfectly right, but anyways, remember like my last video on MSP, it was really bad. I don't know what I was talking about. My voice needs to be like darker. I don't have a really good mic at all, so my voice is a lot deeper than it actually sounds like. So yeah, like I was like, so yeah, it was like really bad, but oh, my sister's logged in. Screw that. Okay. So make sure to friend me on my account, and I will probably accept it. Give me autographs and stuff. That'd be great. And yeah, Rare Week is next Thursday, so I am ready for stuff to get real. And hopefully we're not picking up too much lag. Okay. One time I didn't load at all. I was waiting here for like 30 minutes and it didn't even do. So I made this account a few days ago, so it's not really good. So honestly, I wouldn't even try judging me because this is like 2 days old and I'm already like, I already have a rare t-shirt. Look, I'm just not wearing it right now. Here, let's see. So I'll go into my dressing room. This might be, okay, yeah. So scroll, where is it? I'll probably have to go into shirts. It's right there. I already have a rare t-shirt. I mean a rare shirt. That's good because I had her account for a while. Her main account got hacked, so she has another one, and she just gave me that rare because she had two. But anyways, yeah, the audio is good. I don't even know if it's playing right now. So this is just a little test. So I got OBS, and I'm not recording on my iPad mini right now, but yeah. So I've been following that strategy for a while. Go up to like the people, like my video how to make money fast. I use that all the time basically. So you could go after you're done with all of these people, you can go to pets and do all of these people right here. And I think that's it. If you're on like a mobile device, then you'll probably be able to like do as much people as you can. It only has a little list. Like you can keep scrolling over to the side. Just want to press that. Visit room. So hopefully pop up. My computer is not the best. Like it can be slow at sometimes. I think. Okay. Yes, I thought. All of our animals are right here. So I know there's a lot more than 4. I think there has to be more. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. It's always like this because my computer gets lots of lag. So I'm saving up for Rare Week. So hopefully you're not hearing that right now because I think my settings you're not supposed to hear it, or I don't know. I'm just gonna have to watch the footage and see. So, anyways, this was just a little test to see how well I'm doing. So, anyways, gotta go out. Gotta do that. Well, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.